Now, if in triangle ABC, sigma cos square is equal to 1, show that the triangle is right angled. Please see. This is given. You know sigma cos square A means cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to 1. Keep watching attentively. Cos square A plus cos square B. I am shifting that 1 here. Cos square C as it is. 1 is shifted here as minus 1. Cos square A plus cos square B minus 1 minus cos square C is equal to 0. Hope you are following. Cos square A plus cos square B minus sin square C is equal to 0. 1 minus cos square C is written as sin square C. Now we have a formula. Cos B plus C into cos B minus C is equal to cos square B minus sin square C. There is a formula like this in compound angles. Cos B plus C, cos B minus C is cos square B minus sin square C. I am using this formula here for this part. Cos square A plus cos square B minus sin square C is being written as cos B plus C, cos B minus C. Keep watching. Cos square B minus sin square C is cos B plus C, cos B minus C by the formula of compound angles. Cos B plus C is minus cos A, that you have already seen in the beginning of this chapter. Cos B plus C is minus cos A. If you want, I will write. Now cos A is common. What is left out? Cos A here minus cos B minus C is equal to 0. Here also is equal to 0. Proceed. You know cos A is minus cos B plus C. Cos B plus C is minus cos A, or cos A is minus cos B plus C. Remove the minus sign out. Cos B plus C plus cos B minus C is equal to 0. Again, I am using a formula of compound angles. Cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, 2 cos A cos B. Formula here. Cos B plus C plus cos B minus C is 2 cos A cos B, that is 2 cos B cos C. That is the formula in compound angles. So this becomes minus 2 cos A cos B cos C is equal to 0. Now minus 2 you can bring here, 0 by minus 2, that is disappearing. We have only cos A, cos B, cos C is equal to 0. Product of three quantities is 0. Any one has to be 0. When the product of three quantities is equal to 0, any one must be 0. At least any one must be 0. So let us take cos A is equal to 0, or it can be cos B is equal to 0, or it can be cos C is equal to 0. You know, cos 90 is 0. So A becomes 90, or B becomes 90, or C becomes 90. In any case, triangle is right angled. Cos A is equal to 0 means A is equal to 90 degrees. Since cos 90 is 0, I am writing that means A is equal to 90 degrees, or B is equal to 90 degrees, or C is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, triangle is right angled in any one of these cases. That means triangle ABC is right angled. Have a look at quickly once again. Cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C is equal to 1. 1 is shifted here as minus 1. Minus is common. 1 minus cos square C is written as sin square C. So cos square A plus cos square B minus sin square C. Cos square B minus sin square C by formula cos B plus C cos B minus C. And cos square A, cos B plus C is minus cos A. Cos B plus C is minus cos A. Cos B minus C as it is equal to 0. Cos A, cos this minus sin, cos A minus cos, minus sin I have taken out, cos A, cos B plus C, cos B minus C. This is minus sign again common here, cos A, cos B plus C, cos B minus C. Cos B plus C, cos B minus C is 2 cos B cos C. So 2 cos B cos C. This is 2 cos A, cos B cos C is equal to 0. Minus 2 disappears because of this 0. Cos A, cos B, cos C is equal to 0 means cos A is equal to 0, or cos B is equal to 0, or cos C is equal to 0. In any of these cases, A is equal to 90, or B is equal to 90, or C is equal to 90. The triangle is right angled. That is proved now. See one more question here. I am not solving this one, I am giving a hint for this. In triangle ABC, if it is given that 8R square is equal to sigma A square, you have to show the triangle is right angled. Please watch, only hint. 8R square is equal to sigma A is 2R sin A, please note. Whole square. 8R square is equal to 4R square sigma sin square A. You know sigma is not affecting R, that's why 4R square is out, sin square A remains. This will cancel, leaving 2 here. Sigma sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C. Keep watching. 4R square, 8R square, this will cancel, 2 here, sigma sin square A expanded. Sin square A 1 minus cos square A, sin square B 1 minus cos square B plus sin square C. That last term I have not changed. This 2 and this 1 plus 1 2 goes, 0 is equal to minus cos square A minus cos square B plus sin square C. Understand quickly once again, 8R square is equal to sigma A square is 2R sin A whole square, 4R square sin square A, 4R square cancels 8R square leaving 2 here, sigma sin square A plus sin square B plus sin square C. Sin square A is written 1 minus cos square A, sin square B as 1 minus cos square B, sin square C as it is, 1 plus 1 2 and this 2 cancelling each other leaving 0 here. minus cos square A minus cos square B plus cos square C. I am shifting all the terms here. Cos square A plus cos square B minus sin square C is equal to 0. This is the step of your previous solution. Cos square A plus cos square B minus sin square C is equal to 0. Cos square A plus cos square B minus sin square C is equal to 0. From here, this entire solution will be repeated here, giving you ultimately triangle ABC is rectangled. I am not going beyond this one. This is over.